Make your breakfast a good and enjoyable time. You shouldn't be afraid to eat. You want to lose fat or because you want to lose weight. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm filming one of my favorite video and you probably know it by now, which is a what I eat in a day. So as you saw this morning, I just made myself a smoothie bowl and a coffee and that was absolutely delicious. It's just really easy. When you want to make a smoothie bowl instead of a smoothie, just pull a lot of frozen stuff. So frozen bananas are perfect, but if you are sensitive to bananas or like you don't really like the taste, even though I feel like you can't really taste it, you can totally use like frozen mango, frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, any kind of frozen fruit. And then you really want to put like almost no liquid, so you pour a bit of milk but really not that much, and this is how you will get this creamy consistency. When it comes to breakfast, I really go through phases. So a few weeks ago I was really into smoothies, so every single morning I was just making myself a smoothie. I really craved something like in a bowl, like to eat something properly. Not that a smoothie is not really fulfilling enough, because smoothies can really be fulfilling, but it's just I was really more craving something to eat with a spoon or like to chew in, you know. So it's just I'm making myself bowls in the morning. So it can be oatmeal, it can be yogurt. I just listened to myself and made myself a smoothie bowl. But yeah, I'm really not strict at all when it comes to my breakfast in the morning. I just eat whatever I feel like when I wake up. Guys, you shouldn't be afraid to eat, I don't know, fruits in the morning or even savory food. It doesn't really happen often to me, but some mornings I'm really craving something salty and savory. So, you know, I'm just gonna make myself a toast with vegan cream cheese and a bit of ham on the top. And then the last thing that I would say to people who really struggle with food or who are kind of afraid with food is to absolutely not skip your breakfast. But for me personally, I always have breakfast. I never eat breakfast unless, like I said, I'm really full. Like for example, if I ate a huge pizza the night before or I ate like fast food, and in the morning sometimes I'm not really hungry, so I will just have a tea or a coffee and that's it. But if you skip breakfast in the morning because you want to lose fat or because you want to lose weight, the only thing that's gonna happen if you do that is that your body will feel super hungry, and because you didn't give it what it needed, you will only snack more during the day, or you will feel stressed or low in energy, and like you will feel more likely to eat really sweet food or really oily. This way you're gonna gain weight. You're gonna be doing like yo-yo. One thing that I would say is that if you struggle with food, make your breakfast a good and enjoyable time. Your breakfast is gonna be a moment where you really take the time to make yourself something fulfilling, something made with wholesome food and nourishing, and something that you enjoy, okay? That's how you start your day, not by depriving yourself or not by starting the day hungry, because at the end of the day, that's why people snack and that's why people eat the whole block of chocolate at night. It's because your body has been hungry for 24 hours. I mean, not 24, 12 hours. Okay, it's time for lunch now, so I'm just gonna make myself some chicken wraps with a kind of Thai peanut butter sauce on the side, because it's really easy, really convenient, delicious, it fills me up, so that's just a go-to. So I'm finally able to eat my lunch. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It was actually the first time for me that I had to photograph wraps, and let me tell you, it's not an easy task, but in some ways I finally managed to do it. So I'm just gonna enjoy my lunch and I will catch up with you later. So it's 4 p.m. now and it's time for a snack. So I just made myself some tea. I use this one, which is from Hookah, and it's kind of chai tea, but I definitely need to buy some more tea, like different sort of tea, such as hibiscus or like ginger and lemon are my favorites, so I need to buy those. And then I'm just gonna have what's left from my snacks from yesterday. It's just these kind of Snickers stuffed dates, so I will put some pictures here. But you got the recipe on my Instagram, so if you want to know how to make those, just head over to my Instagram. Also, there's something I always ask myself, and it's how can people not snack? Like how people can be happy and not snacking in the afternoon? Because for me, I always eat something at 4 p.m. and you know what, I'm gonna say that right now in 2020 I'm snacking right now, but I will still snack in 10 years. I will snack with my kids, I swear. I don't know how people don't snack in the afternoon. Like really, if you don't snack in the afternoon, tell me how and why. I just genuinely love baking healthy treats during the weekend for my snacks during the week, or just making myself some smoothies, smoothie bowl, or just having a regular tea or something to drink in the afternoon, you know, like a chai latte or something like this. Anyway. Alright guys, it's 11 p.m. and I'm just about to wash my makeup off, put my PJs on, brush my teeth, and then just go straight to bed because I'm really tired. I hope you did enjoy this, what I eat in a day, and it gave you some inspiration for your next meal, your next breakfast. So I actually want to film more what I eat in a day videos. It's just, I don't know if you guys get bored while watching this, or if you want more what I eat in a day videos. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. I hope you have a good day or a good night, but for me it's time to leave you.